Welcome to the latest in our series of Make It videos. This week we'll be making our own plastic bottle bird feeder. A lot of plastic bottles end up in our wetlands and oceans where they cause all sorts of problems for wildlife. It's great to recycle them, but even better to put them to good use, helping the environment and looking after the birds where you live. To make your bird feeder, you will need an empty plastic bottle, 2 wooden spoons. If you don't have 2, just 1 will do, a drawing pin, scissors or a craft knife, some string, pencil and some birdseed. First, use the pin to make several small drainage holes in the bottom of the bottle. Use the pin to make a hole in the side of the neck of the bottle. Enlarge it slightly using a pencil. It needs to be big enough to thread the string through. Thread the string through, pull it through the top of the bottle and tie a knot big enough that it won't fit back through the hole you've just made. Make another hole opposite your first one. Cut the string to the desired length and repeat the process on this side. Use the pin to make a hole in the side of the bottle near the base. Enlarge it using a pencil to make it just big enough for the handle of one of the spoons to poke through. If the hole isn't quite big enough, cut a small slit to allow you to push the spoon handle through. Repeat this on the other side. Then push the spoon handle all the way through. Now repeat a bit further up the bottle with the second spoon at right angles to the first. Now add the seed. You might want to make a paper funnel to help with this. Finally, use scissors or a knife to further enlarge the holes, making them just big enough for a small amount of seed to fall out onto the spoon. An adult should do this bit, and it needs to be done very carefully. And you can now hang your feeder up and enjoy watching the birds. Thanks for joining us for this week's Make It video. I hope you get lots of great birds using your feeder. Next week we'll be making some eggy cress animals to introduce you and your family to the joy of growing plants from seeds. I look forward to seeing you then.